In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect n8n to GoHighLevel's multi-channel platform by setting up a private integration and configuring the connection within n8n. This process involves a few straightforward steps, so let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to obtain the private integration token, also known as the PIT, from GoHighLevel. Begin by navigating to your specific GoHighLevel sub-account. It's crucial to be in the right sub-account to ensure that the integration is set up correctly. Once you're there, move over to the Settings menu and locate the Private Integrations section. This is where you'll be able to manage any custom integrations that you have or plan to create. You'll now want to click on the option to create a new integration. When prompted, provide a name for this integration. You might consider something descriptive like n8n MCP integration, so that it's easily recognizable in the future. Naming your integration clearly helps both you and your team to quickly identify what the integration is for without any confusion later on. At this stage, you'll have to decide on the appropriate scopes or permissions necessary for your API key. This could include actions like viewing and editing contacts, managing opportunities, or sending messages. Choosing the correct permissions is crucial because it ensures that your integration can perform the required actions. Once all that is done, you'll see a private integration token generated for you. It's essential to highlight the fact that this token will only be displayed once, so make sure to copy it immediately and save it in a secure location. You might want to use a password manager or secure document for this purpose. This token is the key that establishes the connection between n8n and GoHighLevel, so keeping it safe is critical. With your PIT securely saved, you are now ready to move on to the next phase of the setup process, configuring the connection in an n8n. Keep watching for more instructions on that part coming up next. By obtaining and securely saving this token, you've completed a major step in integrating n8n with GoHighLevel's multi-channel platform, paving the way for seamless automation and streamlined workflows. So that's how you obtain the private integration token from GoHighLevel as the first step in connecting n8n to their platform. Stay tuned for the next video, where I'll guide you through the configuration part within n8n to ensure everything runs smoothly. Thanks for watching.